Hi guys, for today's video, I am going to share with you how I make this super easy papaya shake. Papaya is delicious fruit that is best to enjoy when it's ripe. It can be eaten alone or easily combined with other foods. Papaya is healthy tropical fruit. It is loaded with antioxidants that can reduce inflammation, fight disease, and help keep you looking young. It is high in vitamin C and A, as well as fiber and healthy plant compounds. It also contains an enzyme called papain, which is used to tenderize meat. It has powerful antioxidant effects, which may reduce oxidative stress and lower your risk of several diseases. Papaya has been shown to improve constipation. Now that we learned a little bit about papaya, let's start making our delicious papaya shake. In this recipe, I only use 1/2 of the papaya, but you can use the whole papaya if you have too many people at home that might enjoy this papaya shake. I also added 1 banana, ice cubes, since our banana here is not frozen. Then 1 cup of milk, and also any sweetener that you preferred. Here I am using honey. And after we blend it for a few seconds, this is our papaya shake. So creamy and it is really good. So this is it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Any comment or suggestion, just comment it down below and I will try to get back to you. Thank you!